Hello guys, ito yung technique ng Caltech. Mode 3 to lang pero naka-frequency on. Okay, so BH cube over 12 over area, so magiging lang siyang D squared over 12 kasi makakancel yung isang H. Okay, so yung Y, okay, so yung 380 is squared divided ng 12. Okay, so yung Y natin, yun yung centroid from the bottom. So yung is 380 plus kalahati nung 20, so 390. Okay, so ito naman 380 divide 2 is 190. So ang frequency, yun yung area. So yung area 1 is 6,000. Okay, yung area 2 is 6,840. Okay, so press AC lang yung class. AC lang. Okay, AC. So shift stat variance 4. So yung 5, yun yung bar Y, yun yung 283, yun yung YNA natin, no? Yan yung YNA. Sa last video ko ng moment of inertia, minano-mano gamit yung Varignon's theorem. Okay, so next, mode stat variance. Okay, yung N, yun yung total area, so that is 12,840. Okay, so to find the moment of inertia by that parallel axis theorem, so you need to 6 squared nyo yan, gamma y squared, tapos tabihan nyo ng n kasi dito is AD squared, so A is area, so ang area dyan is n plus yung summation ng IG, okay, which is x variant summation 3, tapos yan number 2 x. So ang answer niya is same, no? Caltech yan guys. Okay, ganyan lang kasimple, parehas na parehas yan. 10 raised to 6 pala yan. Okay?